How to add audio spectrum in CapCut. So if you want to add audio spectrum in CapCut, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your CapCut application. Once you open up your CapCut, now you just need simply go with a new project, or you can go with an existing project. So I'll be choosing a new project and I've chosen the video from my gallery. Now what you need to do is just simply go with the text option, which is on the bottom left. Tap on text. Once you tap on text, now you need to go with the stickers option. And now go with the upper right, which has that bell icon. Once you tap on the bell icon, now here you will have the audio spectrum. You just need to simply tap on the audio spectrum. Once you tap on it, it will be added to your video. So go with the tick, which is on the right side, and then you can enlarge it if you want to. And that's it. That's how you can add your audio spectrum in your CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.